Welcome to our discussion on the intricate landscape of Bitcoin and its impact on the world of finance. In this video, we'll delve into the evolution of perspectives surrounding this digital currency, exploring its journey from skepticism to optimism, and the ongoing debate among investors and innovators. Bitcoin, since its inception, has been met with a spectrum of opinions ranging from staunch skepticism to fervent advocacy. Renowned figures like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger have expressed reservations about its intrinsic value and long-term viability, while others see it as a revolutionary force poised to reshape global finance. Join us as we navigate through the complexities of Bitcoin, uncovering its unique qualities, addressing concerns, and contemplating its potential to redefine the future of currency and transactions. If you find this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on finance and technology. Now, let's dive into the world of Bitcoin and unravel its mysteries. When I first stumbled upon Bitcoin, I found myself grappling with a mix of curiosity and skepticism. It was an intriguing concept, but one that seemed shrouded in uncertainty. Unlike myself, the renowned investor Warren Buffett held a steadfast stance on the matter. He made his opinion clear: even if you were to offer me every Bitcoin in existence for a mere $25, I wouldn't bat an eye. To him, the digital currency appeared devoid of value and purpose. Buffett's longtime partner, Charlie Munger, echoed this sentiment with even greater skepticism. Yet, amidst the skepticism of these seasoned investors, I found myself entertaining a slightly different perspective. My approach to investments and innovations is guided by a simple principle: avoid endeavors that appear inherently foolish, potentially harmful, or detrimental to my reputation compared to peers. At first glance, Bitcoin seemed to check off all three boxes with ease. Its volatile nature and lack of centralized regulation left many wary of its potential risks. Moreover, its perceived association with illicit activities and the dark web cast a shadow over its legitimacy. Nevertheless, as I dove deeper into the mechanics and underlying technology of Bitcoin, my skepticism began to wane. I couldn't ignore the growing buzz surrounding blockchain technology and its potential to revolutionize various industries. While Bitcoin itself may have its flaws and uncertainties, the underlying blockchain technology holds promise for innovation and disruption on a global scale. In the grand scheme of things, my personal journey with Bitcoin has been a profound exploration into the intricate interplay between finance and technology. Initially met with skepticism, this digital currency has challenged my preconceptions and opened my eyes to the dynamic landscape of modern finance. As I ventured deeper into the realm of Bitcoin, I discovered that its complexities were far more nuanced than I had initially anticipated. Each twist and turn revealed layers of intricacy, demonstrating the intricate dance between technological innovation and economic principles. Despite my reservations, I remained receptive to the possibilities that Bitcoin presented. By approaching it with an open mind and a willingness to dig beneath the surface, I unearthed a newfound understanding of its potential and the opportunities it offered. Through this journey, I've come to appreciate the transformative power of staying curious and embracing change. Bitcoin, with its disruptive force, serves as a poignant reminder that true understanding often lies beyond our initial impressions, waiting to be uncovered through exploration and an open-minded perspective. In early 2018, the topic of Bitcoin started circulating in their conversations. From that point onward, the trajectory of Bitcoin's value resembled a rocket launch, soaring by a staggering 400%. Contrastingly, Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's renowned investment vehicle, saw a comparatively modest increase of 75%. Such a stark difference prompts a series of inquiries. How is it conceivable that Bitcoin, a digital currency often scrutinized by traditional financial titans like Buffett, could exhibit such phenomenal growth? Is there a possibility that their skepticism towards Bitcoin is misplaced and perhaps even erroneous? These questions linger as the debate around the future of cryptocurrencies continues to evolve. Over the span of a month, I dedicated myself to exploring a particular question that had piqued my curiosity. To my astonishment, my findings were quite unexpected. It dawned on me that Bitcoin, the renowned cryptocurrency, stands as a testament to human ingenuity when it comes to ownership rights. When juxtaposed against any other form of asset conceived throughout history, Bitcoin emerges as the unrivaled pinnacle. What sets it apart is its unique nature. It is devoid of inherent value in the traditional sense, yet its exceptional qualities ensure an incessant surge in its valuation over time. However, amidst its seemingly unstoppable ascent, there lurks a shadow of impending doom. Despite its promise and potential, there are ominous signs hinting at a potentially catastrophic denouement. It's a paradoxical situation where, on the one hand, Bitcoin is touted to achieve unprecedented heights in the foreseeable future, while on the other, there are looming concerns regarding its sustainability and long-term viability. Warren Buffett, the famous investor, said that Bitcoin would end badly. He thinks it's like a bubble based on speculation, where people buy it hoping to sell it to someone else for more money. If he could, he would bet against it. But some people think Bitcoin means freedom, like when the internet started, even though some people, like Buffett and Munger, strongly disagree. To grasp their viewpoint, let's delve into Warren Buffett's mindset. He adheres to a disciplined investment philosophy, favoring assets that exhibit tangible value and offer a transparent trajectory for generating returns. In Buffett's eyes, Bitcoin falls short as it lacks physical substance and operates largely on speculation rather than fundamental value. This misalignment with his established principles leads him to be skeptical of its investment potential. Similarly, Charlie Munger echoes Buffett's sentiment, dismissing Bitcoin as akin to rat poison due to its perceived lack of intrinsic value and speculative nature. Their stance reflects a conservative approach to investing that prioritizes stability and predictability over volatility and uncertainty. Bitcoin presents a compelling solution to the shortcomings found in conventional currencies. Its inception by Satoshi Nakamoto, the enigmatic figure behind its creation, was driven by the aim of rectifying these inherent flaws. What sets Bitcoin apart is its decentralized nature, capped supply, and seamless transferability, which offer distinct advantages over traditional currencies. However, alongside its merits, Bitcoin does come with its fair share of drawbacks. Its anonymity, while attractive to some, also renders it a tool for illicit activities, raising concerns about its potential misuse. Moreover, the considerable energy consumption associated with Bitcoin mining has sparked valid environmental apprehensions, prompting discussions on its sustainability. Despite its imperfections, Bitcoin enthusiasts fervently advocate for its potential to revolutionize the world of finance. However, the cryptocurrency's inherent volatility and usability constraints pose significant hurdles to its widespread adoption. This ongoing debate between staunch traditionalists and forward-thinking pioneers shows no signs of abating, leaving little room for consensus or middle ground. Ultimately, when I reflect on the matter, I tend to gravitate towards optimism. I believe in acknowledging the potential risks inherent in embracing cryptocurrency. Yet I also perceive a world where cryptocurrency exists as being more desirable than one where it does not. That said, it's crucial to recognize the tangible dangers associated with cryptocurrencies and to proceed with a level of prudence and caution. The journey through Bitcoin's complexities has illuminated the dynamic relationship between skepticism and optimism, tradition and innovation. While the cryptocurrency's meteoric rise symbolizes a transformative shift in our understanding of value and technology, it also demands a nuanced approach that acknowledges both its potential and inherent risks. As we navigate this evolving landscape, it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective, embracing the opportunities while remaining vigilant for the challenges. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on finance, technology, and the future of innovation. Thank you for watching, and stay informed as we continue to explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrency.